Trump issues sweeping new travel ban, targeting 12 nations, sparking global backlash. President Donald Trump's administration announced a sweeping new travel ban barring entry to the United States for citizens of 12 countries, primarily in Africa and the Middle East, including Afghanistan, Myanmar, Chad, Republic of Congo, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea, Haiti, Iran, Libya, Somalia, Sudan, and Yemen. Additional restrictions apply to citizens from Burundi, Cuba, Laos, Sierra Leone, Togo, Turkmenistan, and Venezuela, who now face significant barriers to obtaining U.S. visas or permanent residency. The new rules, which take effect at 12:01 a.m. Monday, do not specify an end date, signaling the administration's intent to maintain these restrictions indefinitely unless countries meet stringent U.S. security and vetting standards. The Trump administration cited national security concerns as the rationale for the ban, referencing a recent terrorist attack in Boulder, Colorado, and emphasizing the need to protect Americans from individuals who might pose terrorism-related or public safety risks. The administration also pointed to deficient vetting procedures and high rates of visa overstays in the targeted countries. Exemptions exist for green card holders, dual citizens, certain athletes, Afghans with special immigrant visas, Iranians fleeing persecution, some foreign government employees, refugees admitted before the ban, and diplomats. However, even those with valid visas may be denied entry at the discretion of the Department of Homeland Security. The ban has sparked confusion and fear among affected families and immigrant communities, particularly those with relatives in the O2 targeted countries. Many now face uncertainty about reuniting with loved ones or escaping dire circumstances at home, with advocacy groups describing the policy as discriminatory and inhumane. Democratic lawmakers, immigrant advocates, and at least one Republican have condemned the ban, with some preparing legal challenges. However, legal experts note the administration's more methodical approach and prior Supreme Court precedent may make this order harder to overturn in court. The new directive echoes Trump's 2017 travel ban, which targeted several predominantly Muslim countries and led to widespread confusion and protests. The current order is broader in scope, affecting more nations and including some non-Muslim majority countries, but it also incorporates more exemptions and procedural safeguards. The administration has stated that the list of banned or restricted countries can be modified if governments improve their vetting and information sharing practices. Conversely, new countries could be added if deemed security risks in the future. The policy has drawn criticism from international human rights organizations and foreign governments, who argue it will exacerbate humanitarian crises, disrupt families, and harm America's global reputation. The inclusion of Afghanistan, despite exceptions for special visa holders, has particularly angered advocates for U.S. allies abroad.